Welcome to Math Explained, where we explain math. In this video, we're going to be unpacking factors and multiples. So, what is a factor? Well, factors are the numbers that we multiply together to get another number. For example, 2 times 4 equals 8. So 2 and 4 are factors of the number 8. But are there any other numbers that can be multiplied to get the number 8? Yes. 1 times 8 also equals 8. That means that the number 1 and 8 are also factors of that number 8. These four numbers are the only whole positive numbers that we can multiply together to get the number 8. This means that 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the factors of the number 8. One neat thing about factors is that a number is always divisible by its factors. This means that we can divide 8 evenly by 1, 2, 4, or 8. So, what then is a multiple? A multiple is the value of our number multiplied by another number. For example, 8 times 1 equals 8, or 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 and 24 are both multiples of the number 8. Because we can multiply our number by any number to find the multiple, there are an infinite number of multiples for every number. Usually when we look for multiples, we're just looking at the first 5 multiples. For example, 8 times 1 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, and 8 times 5 is 40. So the first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. Now that we know what a factor is and what a multiple is, let's practice a few questions, figuring out factors and multiples. Let's begin by trying to find the factors for the number 28. To start, every number will always have 1 and itself as a factor. In another video, we're going to talk a little bit more about what numbers have that as its only set of factors. We call those prime numbers, but let's save that for another video. Let's see if this number has any more factors though. Another thing I notice with this number is that it's an even number. This tells me that I can multiply something by 2 to get to 28. 2 times 14 equals 28. So 2 and 14 are also factors. Next, I check 3. 28 is not evenly divisible by 3, so 3 cannot be a factor. Let's check 4. 4 is evenly divisible. 4 times 7 equals 28. So 4 and 7 are also factors of the number 28. If we were to list all the factors of 28 that we've found so far, they are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. We can also use division to figure out if a number is a factor of another number. So, is 6 a factor of 2,934? To check, let's do 2,934 divided by 6. If we get a whole number, then yes, it's a factor. But if we get a decimal answer, then no, it's not a factor. 2,934 divided by 6 equals 489. This means that yes, 6 is a factor of 2,934. Now let's move on to multiples. Let's see if we can find the first 5 multiples of the number 9. To do this, we just multiply our number by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, and by 5. So 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. And 9 times 5 is 45. The first 5 factors of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. The multiples can always keep going higher, so we always want to know how many multiples we need to find. Just like we use division to figure out if a number is a factor of another number, we can also use division to figure out if a number is a multiple of another number. Let's use that to figure out if 2026 is a multiple of the number 13. To do this, we divide 2026 by 13. If we get a whole number, then it's a multiple. If it's a decimal number, then it's not a multiple. 2026 divided by 13 actually equals 155.846. It keeps going, but we've rounded it there. Because we have a decimal answer, 2026 is not a multiple of 13. Hopefully this video helps as you learn more about factors and multiples. For more Math Explained videos, subscribe and check out the rest of the explanations. And as always, have a great day.